Hi.
Hopefully she's not asleep.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. Assume account is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi, Mom. I got good news. Call me back. I love you. Bye. Can I have my hat? Come here. Get her standing back up again. She's walking, honey. I'm happy. I'm so proud of her.
Mackenzie, come here.
Come on. Come see Dad and Mom. Come on. It's like, let me see now how am I going to do this. Come on. You should walk to Dad.
Make sure she doesn't get that pin off.
Yeah, I'm going to take this away from her. Thank you.
Oh, what'd you find? A cracker?
Mackenzie. Come on. Come see Dad. Put this on YouTube. Mackenzie, come here. Mackenzie, come here. Come on.